Exercise 5.3, question number 1. Find the sum of the following arithmetic progressions. So here we have first one 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms here. So we know sum of n numbers is equal to n by 2 into a plus l here. So n is number of terms here, a is the first term, l is the last term. So here in the data we have n which is 10 terms given, a which is the first term, that is 2 here, and l we are going to find out here. Now here l, how you are going to find out? We have an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d here. So an here, a how much? That is 2, which is given in the question. 2 here. N is 10 terms, which is given 10 minus 1. D we are going to find out. That means d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is equal to 7 minus 2, which is 5 here. So now d is 5 here. So now 2 plus here 10 minus 1, 9 into 5 here. So that equal to 2 plus 45, that equal to 47 here. So an or we can say it as L. This is the last number. Now we are going to find out the sum here. The sum is equal to n by 2. N is how much? 10 terms. That means 10 by 2 here. 10 by 2. A is the first term, which is 2 here. L, that is an, that is last term, which is 47 here. So 47 here. Now 10 by 2, which is 5 here, into 2 plus 47, which is 49 here. So 5 into 49, we are going to see 245 here. So the sum of these numbers, 10 terms, is 245 here. Question number 2, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 12 terms. We are going to find out the sum. So here we know Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l here. So in the question, the data is given a, which is minus 37 here, minus 37 here, and the n value, which is given 12 terms here, n value 12 terms, and l, which is last number, we are going to find out now. So here an equal to a plus n minus 1 d here. So that equal to a is how much? First term, which is minus 37 here, plus n is how much? Number of terms, that is 12 minus 1 here. D is the common difference, that equal to a2 minus a1 here. a2 minus a1 means a2 is minus 33 minus of minus 37 here. That equal to minus 33 minus minus plus 37 here. So that equal to 4 here. So now your d value is, common difference is 4 here. So that equal to minus 37 plus 12 minus 1, 11 into 4 here. So that equal to minus 37 plus 11 into 4, 44 here. So that equal to here minus 37 plus 44, which is 7 here. So now we got a L value here, that is 7. So now we are going to input in the sum formula. N by 2, that is n is how much? 12 terms. 12 by 2 here. Now a is the first term, that is minus 37 here, plus L is the last term, which is 7 here, 7 here. So now 12 by 2, which is 6 here, into minus 37 plus 7, which is minus 30 here. Now 6 into minus 30, that is equal to minus 180 here. So the sum is minus 180 here. Third one, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms here. So here we are going to find out the sum here. The sum here we know, that is Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L here. So here L is not given, that means a is given, which is 0.6 here. N is given, which is 100 terms here, 100 terms. And D is also given. So D is how much? A2 minus A1. So that equal to 1.7 minus 0.6 here. So that equal to 1.1 here. So D is 1.1. Now L we are going to find out. That means An equal to A plus n minus 1 D here. So A is how much? First number 0.6 here. N is 100 minus 1. D is the common difference, that is 1.1 here. That equal to 0.6 plus into 99 into 1.1 here. So that equal to 0.6 here plus 99 into 1.1, we get 108.9 here. That equal to 109.5 here. So this is the L value here. Now we are going to find out the sum here. That means n by 2, that is n is given, which is 100 by 2 here, into A is given, first number 0.6 plus L last number we got, that is 109.5 here. So 100 by 2, which is 50 here, into 0.6 plus 109.5 here. So that will be 110.1 here. So 50 into 110.1, which gives 5505 here. So this is the sum of the 100 terms here. Question number 4, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 up to 11 terms here. Now we are going to find out the sum here. So we know the sum of n numbers is equal to n by 2 into a plus L here. So now the data given here, which is a first number, that is 1 by 15 here, and n is given 11 terms here, and D is also given here. So D, which is common difference, that is A2 minus A1 here. A2 is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15 here. That equal to here 12 into 15, which is 180 here, 15 minus 12 here. So that equal to 15 minus 12, which is 3, and by 180 here, that equal to 1 by 60 here. So D value is 1 by 60. So now L, which is not given here, and we are going to find out L here. That means An is equal to A plus n minus 1 D here. So A is given, which is first term, that is 1 by 15 plus n, that is 11 minus 1, and D is the common difference, that is 1 by 60 here. So now 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1, that is 10 into 1 by 60 here. So that equal to 1 by 15 plus here 0 0 cancel, which will be 1 by 6 here. So now that equal to, when you take LCM, we get here 90 and here 6 plus 15. So that equal to 6 plus 15, which is 21 by 90 here. And upon simplification, 3 7 3 30 here, and we get 7 by 30 here. So this is the L value here. So L value is 7 by 30. Now we input in the sum formula. N by 2, n is given, which is 11 here, 11 by 2 into a is given, which is 1 by 15, 1 by 15 plus L is 7.30 here, 7 by 30 here, 7 by 30. So now when you are going to simplify 11 by 2 into here, taking LCM 30 here, here 15 2, here 2 here, plus here 7 here. So now when you are going to say 11 by 2 into 9 by 30 here, 9 by 30. So when you simplify this, 3 here, 10 here. So that equal to 11 by 2 into 3 by 10 here. So now 11 into 3, which is 33 here, by 2 into 10, which is 20 here. So 33 by 20 is the sum of 11 numbers here. Question number 2, find the sums given below. First one, 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus up to 84 here. So here sum we are going to find out, that is Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l here, a plus l. So what is given in the question? That is a is given, which is 7 here, and l is given, which is 84 here, and d is also given, that is a2 by a1, and n we are going to find out here. So now d, how much? D is equal to a2 minus a1 here. So that equal to 10 1 by 2, that is 10 1 by 2 means it will be 21 by 2 minus 7 here. That equal to here 2, here 21 minus 14 here. That equal to here 7 by 2 here, 7 by 2. So d is a common difference is 7 by 2 here. So now n we don't know, n we are going to find out. So n, how you are going to find out? Here an equal to a plus n minus 1 d here. So an is l here, which is 84 here. A is first number given, which is 7 here. N is not given, we are going to find out n here, n minus 1. D we found out, that is 7 by 2 here. So now 84 minus 77 here, 84 minus 7, that equal to n minus 1, 7 by 2 here. Now 84 minus 7, which is 77 here, and this we are going to take left hand, that will be 77 into 2 by 7, that equal to n minus 1 here, n minus. So 7 here 11 times here. So n minus 1 is equal to 11 into 2, which is 22 here. So n is equal to how much? 22 plus 1, that equal to 23 here. So n is 23 here. Now we are going to input in the sum formula, that equal to n by 2, that is n is 23 here, 23 by 2 here, into a is how much given, that is 7 here, L which is also given 84 here, this is 84 here. So now when you are going to simplify 23 by 2 here into 7 plus 84, which will be 91 here. Now 23 into 91, which will be 2093 here by 2 here. So this is the sum of the given arithmetic progression here. Question number 2, 34 plus 32 plus 30 up to 10 here. So here we are going to find out the sum here. So Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L here. Now what is given in the question? A is given, which is the first number, that is 34 here. L is given, which is the last number, that is 10 here. And D, that equal to common difference, A2 minus A1 here. So A2 minus A1, that means 32 minus 34 here. So that equal to minus 2 here. And n is not given, n we are going to find out here. So n, how we are going to find out? An equal to A plus n minus 1 D here. An is L, which is last number given, that is 10 here. A first number, that is 34 plus n minus 1, we are going to find out n. Common difference, which is minus 2 here. So now when you are going to see 10 minus here 34, that equal to here n minus 1 into minus 2 here. So here 10 minus 34, which will be minus 24, and minus 2 we are going to send this side here, minus 2 by into n minus 1 here. So here 2 1 here, 12 minus cancel, that means n minus 1, that equal to 12 here. So n minus 1 12 means n equal to 12 plus 1, that equal to 13 here. So n value 13 here. So n we got, and now we are going to input in the sum formula, that equal to n is 13, that is 13 by 2 here, into A, which is 34 plus L, that is 10 here, that equal to 13 by 2 here, 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10, which will be 44 here, that equal to 2 here, 22. 13 into 22 here we got 13 into 22. So 13 into 22, which is 2 8 6 here. So this is the sum here. Third one, minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 up to minus 230 here. So here we are going to find out sum, which is Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L here. So the given data here is A, which is first number, that is minus 5 is given here, and L, which is last number, that is minus 30 here, and D we are going to find out common difference, that is A2 minus A1. A2 is how much? Minus 8, minus A1 is minus 5 here. So that equal to minus 8 plus 5, that equal to minus 3 here. So n value is not given, n we are going to find out here. So now n that equal to a plus n minus 1 d here, which is last number given, that is minus 230, that equal to a first number minus 5 plus n minus 1 n minus 1 d common difference, which is minus 3 here. So minus 1 goes here, that means 230 plus 5 here, that equal to n minus 1 minus 3 here. So 230 plus 5, which will be minus 2 to 5, and minus 3 this side, it will become division, minus 3 into n minus 1 here. So minus minus cancel here, and here 3, here 75 here. So that means n minus 1 equal to 75 here. So n is equal to 75 plus 1, that equal to 76 here. So now in putting the n value in sum here, that equal to n by 2, which is 76 by 2 here, a that is minus 5 here, plus l minus 230 here. So now 76 by 2, that is 38 here, minus 5 minus 230, which is minus 235 here. So that equal to 38 into 235, when you are going to multiply, we get minus 8930 here. So this is the sum. Question number 3. In an arithmetic progression, first one given a equal to 5, d equal to 3, an 50, find n value and sum here. So here n value and sum we are going to find out. So here n value first we are going to find out, then sum value we are going to find out. So we know an that equal to a plus n minus 1 d here. So an which is given, that is 50, a we given, which is 5 here, plus n we are going to find out n minus 1, d is given, which is 3 here. So now when you are going to see here 50 minus 5, that equal to n minus 1 3 here. So 50 minus 5, which is 45 here, that equal to n minus 1 3 here. So n minus 1 is equal to 45 by 3. So 45 by 3, which is 15 here. So n minus 1 equal to 15 here. So n is equal to 15 plus 1, that equal to 16 here. So now we are going to find out sum value. Sum, that is Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l here, a plus l. The sum is equal to n we got, which is 16 by 2 into a is given, which is 5, and l is given, which is 50 here. 16 by 2, which is 8 here, into 5 plus 50, that is 55 here. So that equal to 8 into 55, that equal to 440. So the n value is 16, sum value is 440 here. Second one, given a is 7, a13 equal to 35, find d and s13 here. So here given a value is a13 that is L value 35 and n value is given which is 13 here. N is equal to 13 here, and also we are going to find out D and sum here. So first we are going to find out D here, that is An equal to A plus n minus 1 D here. So An how much? 35 here, that equal to A is 7 plus n is given, that is 13 minus 1, and we are going to find out D here. So 35 minus 7 here, 35 minus 7, that equal to here 13 minus 1, that is 12 D here. So now 35 minus 7, which is 28 here. So 28 is equal to 12 D here. So D is equal to 28 by 12 here. So that equal to here 7, here 3. So that equal to 7 by 3 here. Now we are going to find out the sum here. Sum here is 13. We are going to find out. S13 equal to n by 2 into A plus A13 here. Now S13 equal to n is given which is 13 by 2 here into A which is 7 and A13 which is 7 by 3 here. So now here A13 is 35 here, A13 is 35 here, and now 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35 which is 42 here, that equal to 2 here, 21 here, 13 into 21, so that equal to 273 here. Third one, given A12 equal to 37, D equal to 3, find A and S12 here. So here An equal to A plus n minus 1 D here. So An here An is, that is 12, A12 is 37 here. A12 we are going to find out, that is 37. A is not given, A we are going to find out. N is 12 which is given 12 minus 1. D is given which is 3 here. Now 37 equal to A plus 12 minus 1, 11 into 3 here. So now 37 equal to A plus 33 here. Now A equal to 37 minus 33 and A equal to here 4 here. So now we are going to find out S12 here. S12 equal to n by 2 into A plus A12 here. Now S12 equal to n which is given, that is 12 by 2 into A which we found out, that is 4 here, plus A12 which is given 37 here. 12 by 2 which is 6 here into 4 plus 37 which is 41 here. So 6 into 41, that will be 246 here. Fourth one, given A3 equal to 15, A10 equal to 125. Find D and A10 here. So now A3 is given which is A3 equal to, that equal to A plus n minus 1 D here. So A3 is given, that is here 15 here 15, that equal to A we don't know, and it is 3 means n is 3 here, 3 minus 1, that is D here. So now 15 equal to A plus 2D here. Now Sn is given, S10, Sn equal to n by 2 into here 2A plus n minus 1 D here. Now S10 is given. S10 is how much? So this is S10 suppose, then it will be 125. S10 means n will be 10. So 10 by 2 here. And 2A. So 2A plus n minus 1. N is 10 here. 10 minus 1 D here. Here D. So 125, that equal to 10 by 2, which is 5 here, into 2A plus 9D here, 9D. So 125 by 5, 125 by 5, that equal to 2A plus 9D here. 125 by 5, which will be 25 here. So your value will be 25 equal to 2A plus 9D here. So it is, suppose second equation, it is a first equation. So now with these equations we are going to find out A value and D by elimination method here. So two equations. First suppose second one, 25 equal to 22A plus 9D here. Here 15 equal to A plus 2D here. So now changing the signs here, or multiplying with the 2 here to cancel 2 here. So 2, when you are going to multiply, we get here 30 here, 2A here, 4D here. Now taking here first equation, here this is first equation, this is second equation. So minus 30 equal to 2A plus 4D here. Second equation, so here multiplying with 2 we get here, and here second equation 25 equal to 2A plus 9D here. So changing the signs here, changing the signs here. So now 2A cancel here, 30 minus 25, that is 5 equal, and then minus 9A plus 4, that is minus 5D here. So D equal to 5 by minus 5, that equal to minus 1 here. So now D we got, we are going to find out A10 here. A10 means D we got, and we are going to find out A value here. So A value means in the equation when you are going to substitute, that is 25 equal to 2A plus 9D here. 25 equal to 2A plus 9 into minus 1. 25 equal to 2A plus here minus 9 here. 25 minus 9, that is 14, that equal to 2A. So A equal to 14 by 2, that equal to 7 here. Here plus 25 plus here 25 plus 9, so that equal to 34 here. So here 34 by 2, which will be 17 here. So A value 17, D value minus 1 here. Now we are going to find out A10 here. So A10 we know a10 equal to a plus n minus 1 d here. So a10 how much we are going to find out, and a is first number, that is 17 into n given, that is 10 minus 1, and d we found out, that is minus 1 here, that equal to 17 plus here 10 minus 1 9 into minus 1 here, so that equal to 17 minus 9 here, so that equal to 17 minus 9, that equal to 8 here. So a10 is 8. Fifth one, given d equal to 5, s9 equal to 75, find a and a9 here. So first we are going to find out a value here. So we know Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d here. Now here S9 we are going to find out. S9 means 75, which is given here, 75. So n value will be 9 here, so 9 by 2 here into 2a. A value we are going to find out, that means 2a plus n is 9 here, 9 minus 1, and d is 5 here. So now 9 by 2 left side it goes, that means 75 into 2 by 9 here, that equal to 2a plus 9 minus 1 8 into 5 here, 8 into 5. So now 75 into 2, which will be 150 by 9, that equal to 2a plus 40 here. So 40 goes left side, which will be 150 by 9 minus 40, that equal to 2a here. So here 150 here LCM when you are going to take, which will be 9 here, and here 150 minus here 9 into 40, which will be 360, that equal to 2a here. So 150 minus 360, which will be 210 here, minus 210 by 9, that equal to 29 here, 2a here. So now a value equal to minus 210 by 9 into 2 here. So here when you are going to see 2 here 105 times, and here 3 here 3 35 here. So a value will be minus 35 by 3 here. So a value is minus 35 by 3 here. Next we are going to find out a9. So we know an equal to a plus n minus 1 d here. a9, so a9 when you are going to take, which is we are going to find out, that is a9 we are going to find out a, that is minus 35 by 3 plus n, which is 9 here, 9 minus 1, and d which is given, that is 5 here. So that equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 8, 9 in minus 1, 8, and 8 into 5, which will be 40 here. So now when you are going to take the LCM 3 here minus 35 here plus 120 here. So that equal to minus 35 120 which will be 85 by 3 here. So A9 is equal to 85 by 3 here. Sixth one, given A equal to 2, D equal to 8, Sn equal to 90. Find N and An here. First we are going to find out N value here. So we know Sn equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 T here. So S90 we are going to find out here. So Sn we are going to find out. Sn is given which is 90. So 90. N value we are going to find out N by 2 here. Now 2A, A is given which is 2 here plus N value we are going to find out and D is given which is 8 here. So now 90 into 2 which is 180 here, 180. So that equal to N, here 2 into 2, 4 plus here N minus 1, 8. That means 8N minus 8 here. So now 180 equal to now N into 8N minus 8 plus 4 which will be minus 4 here. So 180 equal to 8N square minus 4N here. So your equation comes 8N square minus 4N. Here right side it goes minus 180, that equal to 0 here. So once you divide by 2 here, divide by 2 here, then we get here 8 by 2 which will be 4N square minus 2N minus 90, that equal to 0 here. Four n square, that is equal to, now it is in a quadratic equation. We are going to find out factors now. 4n square minus 2n minus 90 equal to 0 here. So this also dividing by 2 we get 2n square minus n minus 45, that equal to 0 here. Now we are going to find out factors, that is 2 into 45 90 and difference should be 1 here, that is 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45, that equal to 0. So 10 into 9 90 and minus 10 9 which will be minus n. So taking 2n common here, 2n n minus here 5 here plus, and taking 9 common here, n minus 5, that equal to 0 here. So 2n, that is n minus 5, that equal to 0 here. 2n plus 9, that equal to 0 here. So n is equal to 5 here, here n equal to, so n equal to minus 9 by 2 here. So we got two values which is 5 and 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2. So n can't be in the fraction here, so we are going to omit this, and n which is in the natural number we are going to take this. Next we are going to find out an here. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 d here. So here a value is given which is 2 here, n we found out which is 5 here, 5 minus 1 d is given which is 8 here. So that equal to 2 into here 5 minus 1 which is 4 into 8 here. So that equal to 2 plus 32. So that equal to 2 plus 32 which will be 34 here. So an is 34. Question number 7, given a equal to 8, an equal to 62, Sn equal to 210, find n and d value here. So we know an equal to a plus n minus 1 d here. So an is given which is 62 here. So 62 equal to a is given which is 8 here, plus n is not given and d is not given, which we are going to find out. That means n minus 1 d here. So now 62 minus 8, that equal to n minus 1 here d here. So 62 minus 8 which will be 54. So n minus 1 d equal to 54 here. So now we are going to see Sn. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So Sn is given which is 210 and n we are going to find out. That means n by 2. 2a is given which is 8 here, plus n minus 1 d here, n minus 1 d here. So 210 into 2, that will be 420. 420 equal to n into here 2 into 8 which is 16, plus n minus 1 d. N minus 1 d we got here which is 54 here. So 54 we are going to input here. So now when you are going to see 420 equal to n into 1654, that will be 70 here. So n equal to 420 by 70. So that equal to 6 here. Now we got n value and we are going to find out d value here. So we know n minus 1 d, that equal to 54 here. So n value is 6 minus 1 d, that equal to 54 here. So 5d equal to 54 here. So d equal to 54 by 5 here. So n value is 6, d value is 54 by 5 here. Eighth one, given an equal to 4, d equal to 2, Sn equal to minus 14, find n and a here. So here we know an equal to a plus n minus 1 d here. So n is given which is 4 here, that equal to a we are going to find out, and n also we are going to find out, n minus 1, and d is given which is 2 here. So now when you are going to simplify, 4 equal to a plus 2n minus 2 here. So minus 2 goes here, which becomes 6 here. 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 equal to a plus 2n here. So now when you are going to see a value, it will become 6 minus 2n here. 6 minus 2n. Now Sn, when you are going to say Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an here. Sn is given, which is minus 14 here. N we are going to find out n by 2 into a we are going to find out, and a which is 6 minus 2n here, 6 minus 2n here, plus an is given, which is 4 here, 4 here. So minus 14 into 2, which will be minus 28, that equal to n here into 6 minus 2n plus 4 here. So minus 28, that equal to n into 6 4, that will be 10 minus 2n. So here minus 28, here n minus 28, n into 10, which will be 10n minus 2n square here. So we get an equation which will be taking left side here, 2n square minus 10n minus 28, that equal to 0. So dividing by 2, we get n square minus 5n minus 14, that equal to 0 here. So this is the equation we got, and we are going to see the factors here. So n square minus 5n minus 14. So here when you are going to see the factor, n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 here, that equal to 0, that equal to 0 here. So here minus 7n plus 2n, which is 5n minus 5n, minus 7 plus 2, minus 7 into 2, which will be minus 14 here. Taking n common here, n minus 7 here plus taking 2 common, which will be n minus 7, that equal to 0 here. So n minus 7, 1 equal to 0, and n plus 2, that equal to 0. So here n equal to 7 here, and n equal to minus 2 here. So n can't be in the negative, so we are going to omit this, and n equal to 7 we are going to take. So now we got n value, and we are going to find out a value. So we know a equal to 6 minus 2n. So a equal to 6 minus 2 into 7 here. So that equal to a equal to 6 minus 14, then a equal to minus 8 here. So a is minus 8 here. Ninth one, given a equal to 3, n equal to s, n equal to 8, s equal to 192, and find d value here. So we know Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So s is given, which is 192. So 192 equal to n is given, which is 8 by 2. 2a is given, which is 3. n is given, which is 8 minus 1, and D we are going to find out here. So now 192, here 192, 8 by 2 which is 4 here, 2 into 3 6, plus 8 minus 1 which will be 7D here. So now 4 goes here, that means 192 by 4, so that equal to 6 plus 7D here. So 192 here, 48 here. Now 48 equal to 6 plus 7D here. Now 48 minus 6, that equal to 7D here. So that will be 42. 42 equal to 7D. So D equal to 42 by 7. So here 6 times. So D equal to 6 here. 10th one, given L equal to 28, S equal to 144 and their total 9 terms, find A. So here N is 9. So Sn equal to N by 2 into A plus L here. So here sum is given which is 144 and N is given which is 9 terms. So 9 by 2 into A we are going to find out, and L is 28 here. Now 144 into 2 which will be 288, that equal to 9 into A plus 28 here. So 288 minus 288 by 9, so that equal to A plus 28. So here 9, 9, here 3, here 2 here. So 32, here 32 equal to A plus 28 here. So A equal to 32 minus 28 here. So A equal to 4 here. Question number 4. How many terms of the arithmetic progression 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? So here the data given, the sum Sn equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 D here. So here we are going to find out the number of terms here. So Sn is given the sum which is 636. N we are going to find out, that is N by 2 here. 2A, that is the first term which is 9 here, and N which we are going to find out N minus 1. D is a difference, common difference, that is A2 minus D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 17 here, minus 9, that equal to 8 here. So here 8. So now when you simplify here, so 636 into 2 we get 1272 here, and N into 2 into 9 18 plus 18 minus 8 here. So now when you are going to see 1272 into here N into 18 minus 8, that will be 10 plus 8n here. So now 1272 that equal to 10n plus 18n square here. So when you are going to see here, moving right side is 18n square plus 10n. So 8 here 8n square here minus 1272 equal to 0 here. So now divided by 2 we get here, divided by 2 we get 4n square plus 5n minus 636 here. So now taking the factors here, which will be 4n square here 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. Taking n common here, that will be 4n plus 53 minus 12 common, which will be 4n minus 53 equal to 0. So 4n plus 53 equal to 0, n minus 12 equal to 0. So here n equal to 53 by 4 here n equal to 12 here minus 53 by 4 here 12. So the n number of terms, it can't be in the negative and it can't be in the fraction, so we are going to omit this, and n is equal to 12 we are going to consider here. So the number of terms are 12 here. Fifth one, the first term of an arithmetic progression is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So here the first term, that means a equal to 5 here, last term that is L equal to 45, sum that is Sn equal to 400 here, and we are going to find out n value how much and d value how much here. So here first we are going to find out n value, that is an equal to a plus, first we are going to find out sum here, that means Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L here. N value we are going to find out. So sum which is 400 here, n by 2 a which is 5 here, and L which is 45 here. So here 800 that equal to n 5 plus 45, so which will be 50 here. So n equal to 800 by 50, so that will be 16 here. So now we are going to find out d value here, that means sum equal to n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 d here. Sum is given which is 400, that equal to n is 16 by 2 into a which is 5 plus n which is 16 minus 1, and D we are going to find out here. So here 400 equal to here 16 by 2, which is 8. 2 into 5 10 plus 15 D here. Now here 400 by 8 equal to 10 plus 15 D here. 400 by 8, which is 50 here, that equal to 10 plus 15 D here. Now 50 minus 10, that equal to 15 D here. Now 15 D equal to 40 and D equal to 40 by 15 here. So 40 by 15. So here it is 8 here 3. So it will be 8 by 3 here. So D is 8 by 3. Question number 6. The first and last terms of an AP arithmetic progression are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is the sum? So here given data A equal to 17 here, L equal to 350 here, and common difference, that is D equal to 9 here, and we are going to find out N and also the sum here. N and sum here. So first we are going to find out N here. So that means An equal to A plus N minus 1 D here. So An, which is 350, last term, A which is given 17 here, and N we are going to find out. D is 9 here. So here 350 minus 17 equal to N minus 1, 9 here. 350 minus 17, which is 333, and here by 9, that equal to N minus 1. So here 9, here 3, and here 7 here. So N minus 1 equal to 37, and N is equal to 37 plus 1, which is equal to 38 here. Next we are going to find the sum here. Sn equal to n by 2 L plus A plus L here. So n, which we got 38 here, 38 by 2, A which is 17, and L which is 350 here. 38 by 2, that is 19 here, into 17 plus 350, which will be 367 here. 19 into 367, which is 6973 here. Question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an arithmetic progression in which D is 7 and 22nd term is 149 here. So here data given, which is 22 terms, that is n equal to 22 here, and D is given, which is 7 here, and 22nd term is 149, that means L equal to 149, and we are going to find out the sum here. Sum we are going to find. So first we are going to find the A value, after that we are going to find out the sum here. So we know An equal to A plus N minus 1 D here. an which is given 149, that equal to a into 22 minus 1, and d is 7 here. So 149 that equal to a plus 21 into 7 here. Now 149 equal to a plus here 147. So a equal to 149 minus 147, and that equal to 2. A equal to 2 here. Next sum we are going to find out. Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l here. So that equal to n which is 22 by 2 here, and a which is 2, and l is 149 here. So that equal to 22 by 2 which is 11 into 2 plus 149 which is 151. So 11 into 151 which will be 1661 here. Eighth one, find the sum of first 51 terms of an arithmetic progression whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So here n is given which is 51 here, and second term that is a2 which is 14 here, and a3 the third term which is 18 here. Now we are going to find the sum here. So from this a2 and a3 we can find a common difference here. Common difference, suppose it is d2 suppose. So d2 is equal to a3 minus a2 here, and which is equal to 18 minus 14 that equal to 4 here. So now we got difference d here. Now we can also find a1 here. Suppose difference 1, first one, it will be d1 equal to a2 minus a1. So difference is common here, so that will be 4, and a2 is given which is 14, and we are going to find out a1 here. So a1 is equal to 14 minus 4, so that equal to 10 here. So now we got the information. n1, n is given 51, a we got which is 10 here, and d we got 4 here. And now we will find the an, and after that we are going to find out the sum, or else directly we can find out Sn also. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d here. The sum we are going to find out, n is 51 here, 51 by 2 here, into 2, and a we got 10 here, plus n minus 1 which is 51 minus 1, and d which is 4 here. So that equal to 51 by 2 into 2 into 10 which is 20 here, plus 51 minus 1 50 into 4, and this. So now 51 by 2 into 20 plus here which is 200 here, 200. Now 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200 which is 220 here, 110. So now 51 into 110. So 51 into 110, which will be 5610 here. So this is the sum. Question number 9. If the sum of first 7 terms of an arithmetic progression is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms here. So here data given, which is first 7 terms is 49 and next 17 terms is 289. So from this two data we can find out, we are going to find out a value and d value. After that we are going to find out the sum of n terms here. So first when you are going to see the sum of first 7 terms is 49, that means Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So here n, which is 7 by 2, and sum is 49 given. Here 2a plus 7 minus 1, here d here. So cross multiplication 49 into 2 by 7, that equal to 2a plus 6d here. So here 7 cancel, 7 into 2 14. So 14 equal to 2a plus 6d here. In the next case 17 terms sum is 289, that means Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So Sn is minus 289, that equal to n is 17 by 2, then 2a plus 17 minus 1 d here. So here cross multiplication 289 into 2 by 17, so that equal to 2a plus 16d here. So here 17 into 2, which will be 34 here. 34 equal to 2a plus 16d here. So we got equation 1 here, is equation 2 here. Now we are going to find out a and b by elimination method. So equation 34 is equal to 2a plus 16d here, and here 14 equal to 2a plus 6d here. So here multiplying with minus sign here, 2a cancel, 34 minus 14, which will be 20 here, and 16 minus 6, which will be 10d here. So d is equal to 20 by 10, that equal to 2 here. So d is 2. We are going to find out a value here, that means 14 equal to 2a plus 6d here. 14 equal to 2a plus 6 into 2. Now 14 equal to 2a plus 12, and 2a equal to 14 minus 12, which is 2, and a equal to 2 by 2, that equal to 1 here. Now we got a value 1, d value 2. Now next we are going to find out the sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms means Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So sum we are going to find out. So n is given n terms, that is it will be n only, and 2a we found out which is 1, and n minus 1, and d we got which is 2 here. So that equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 2 minus 2n here plus 2n minus 2 here. So n by 2, here 2 cancel, into 2n, here 2 cancel, and we are going to see n into n here. N into n is n square here. So the sum of first n is n square here. Question number 10. Show that a1, a2 up to an form an arithmetic progression where an is defined as below. First one, an equal to 3 plus 4n. Second, an equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case here. So first we are going to find the a1, a2, a3 all. After that we are going to find out the sum of first 15 terms here. So in the first case, when you are going to see an equal to 3 plus 4n here. So if a is 1 here, so a1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, that equal to 3 plus 4 that equal to 7 here. Next a2 that equal to 3 plus 4 here 2, and 3 plus 4 into 2 which is 8, that equal to 11 here. So in the same way we get a3, a4 all these things. So we got a1 here, and we are going to find out d here, d. So d is equal to a2 minus a1 here. So a1, a2 we know which is here 11 minus 7, that equal to 4 here. We got a which is 7, d 4, and we are going to find out first 15 terms, that means n is equal to 15. The sum we are going to find out here. That means Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So sum n which is 15 here, 15 by 2 into a 2 into 7 plus n 15 minus 1, and d we got 4 here. 15 by 2 here 2 into 7 14 here, plus here 15 minus 1 14 into 4 here. So that equal to 15 by 2 into 14 plus here 14 into 4 which is 56 here, 56. So that equal to 15 by 2 into 14 plus 56, which is 70 here, and here 235 here. So that equal to 15 into 35, that equal to 525 here. Now second one, which is given an equal to 9 minus 5n here. So first we are going to find out a1, a2. a1 is 9 minus 5 into 1, so that equal to 9 minus 5, that equal to 4 here. a2 equal to 9 minus 5, here 2, 9 minus 10, that equal to minus 1 here. So D, when you are going to take a2 minus a1, that equal to minus 1 minus 4, that equal to minus 5 here. So a1 we got, which is a we got, which is 4 here, and D, which is minus 5, and n, which is 15 terms sum we are going to do here. So we know Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So Sn, which is 15 by 2, 2 into 4 plus n, which is 15 minus 1, d, which is minus 5 here. So 15 by 2 into 2 into 4, which is 8, plus 15 minus 1, which is 14 into minus 5 here. So that equal to 15 by 2, 8 plus 14 minus 14 into minus 5, which will be minus 70, plus into minus minus. So that equal to 15 by 2 into minus 62 here, 62. So 2 1 here, 2 31 here, that equal to 15 into minus 31. So 15 into minus 31, which will be minus 465 here. This is the sum. Question number 11. If the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is 4n minus n square, what is the first term, that is s1? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third and 10th and also the nth terms here. So here the data given, which is the arithmetic progression, which is 4n minus n square here. So now we are going to find out the first term here. That means S1 we are going to find out. The sum is given here, which is here S is equal to Sn equal to 4n minus n square. Now S1 we are going to see. S1 will be 4 into 1 minus 1 whole square here. So that will be 4 minus 1, that equal to 3 here. So what is the first term means S1, which is 3 here. Now what is the sum of first two terms? First two terms means here S2 we are going to see. In the nth place we are going to insert 2 here, and 4 into 2 minus 2 whole square here. So that equal to 4 into 2 which is 8 and 2 square which is 4, that equal to 4 here. The sum of first two terms is 4 here. Next, what is the second term? So what is the second term means, here we are going to find out a2 here, a2 which is equal to s2 minus s1 here. So that equal to s2 how much, 4 here, s1 is 3, so that equal to 1 here. So this is a third term, second term here. Next they asked find the third term. Find the third term. Third here in the sense S3 we are going to see. S3 we are going to see, which will be 4 into 3 minus 3 whole square here. So that equal to 4 into 3 which is 12 minus 9 here. So that equal to 3 here. Now third term when you are going to see, that will be a3, that equal to s3 minus s2 here. So in order to find a3, first we are going to find s3 here. So a3 will be equal to s3 minus s2. So that equal to 3 minus 4 here, 3 minus 4. So that equal to minus 1. So a3 will be minus 1 here. So now they asked 10th term. So 10th term will be what? A10. A10 will be S10 minus S9 here. So S10 and S9. S10 means what? Here 4 into 10 minus 10 whole square. So this will be S10. And S9 4 into 9 minus here 9 whole square. So this will be S9. So when you simplify here 40 minus 10 square 100 minus 4 into 9 which will be 36 minus 9 square which will be 81 here. So that equal to 40 minus 100, 40 minus 100 which will be minus 60 here, and here minus, here 36 minus 91, 81 which will be minus 45. So that equal to minus 60, minus into minus plus 45, and that equal to 60 minus 60 plus 45 which will be minus 15 here. So this is S10 here. So in the same way we are going to find out an, the nth term. Nth term will be what? Sn minus Sn minus 1. Sn minus n minus 1. So Sn means already given, that equal to 4n minus n square. So this is Sn minus Sn minus 1, that means 4 into n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. So this will be Sn minus 1. So that equal to 4n minus n square minus here bracket. Now 4n minus 4 here bracket n minus 1 whole square, that will be n square minus 2n plus 1 here. So now 4n minus n square, 4n minus n square minus here 4n minus 4 minus n square plus 2n minus 1. So here when you are going to see expanding 4n minus n square minus 4n here plus 4 plus n square minus 2n plus 1 here. Here 4n cancel here. n square cancel. Now we got 4 plus 1 which will be 5 minus 2n. So this will be an here. Question number 12. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 here. So first 40 positive integers means so arithmetic progression will be here 6, next 12 here, so on up to 40 here. So the information given here is a equal to 6 here, d which is equal to a2 minus a1 here, so that equal to how much? 12 minus 6, 12 minus 6, so that equal to 6 here. And n is given, n which is equal to 40, n 40 is given. Now we are going to find out the sum here. That means Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So here sum n by 2 which is 40 by 2, 2 into a which is 6 plus n 40 minus 1 and d is a 6 here. D is a 6 here. So 40 by 2 which is 20 here, 6 into 2 12 plus 39 into 6, so that equal to 20 here, 12 plus 39 into 6 which is 234 here, so that equal to 20, 12 234 which will be 246 here, so that equal to 20 into 246 which will be 4920 here. Question number 13. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So here the arithmetic progression will be first 8, then a multiple of 8 another number will be 16, next to 24 and so on. Up to 15 numbers we are going to find out the sum here. So the given information a equal to 8, d equal to, the multiple of 8 means d will be 8 only, and n is given the first 15 numbers, that is 15 here. So we are going to find out the sum here. That means Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So that equal to 15 by 2. Here 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 d is 8 here. So that equal to 15 by 2 here 16 plus 15 minus 1 which is 14 into 8 here. Next 15 by 2 into 16 plus 14 into 8, which is 112 here. So that equal to 15 by 2 into 16 plus 112, which is 128. So here 264 here. So that equal to 15 into 64. So 15 into 64 is 960 here. So this is the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Question number 14. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So the arithmetic progression will be, so between 0 and 50, the arithmetic odd numbers starts from 1 here, 3 here, 5 here, and so on, so up to 50. So the last number, odd number, 50 is an even number, so the last number will be 49 here. So in the given question, we have the data about A, the first number, which is 1 here, and D, that equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to 3 minus 1, that equal to 2 here. Next we have L, which is last number, that is 49 here. So now we are going to find out the n value here, and after that we are going to find out the sum here. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 d here. So an means the last number, which is 49, a the first number 1 here, plus n we don't know, we are going to find out, and d, which is 2 here. So 49 minus 1, which will be 48 here, that equal to n minus 1, 2 here. So n minus 1 equal to 48 by 2 here. So n minus 1 equal to 24 here, and n equal to 24 plus 1, that equal to 25 here. So n value 25 here. Now we are going to find out the sum, that is sum Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L here. So that equal to n we got 25 here by 2 into a is 1 plus L, the last number 49 here. So that equal to 25 by 2 into 49 plus 1, which is 50 here. So here 2 1, here 25. So that equal to 25 into 25, that equal to 625 here. So this is the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Question number 15. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: 200 rupees for first day, 250 for second day, 300 for third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he delayed the work by 30 days here. So here the information given here, a contractor who started the work, and first day the fine is 200, that means here a value is 200 here. Second day 250, third day 300, and each day it is increased by 50, that means 50 more than the preceding, that means here D is rupees 50 here. And we are going to find out the sum for total 30 days. That means n is 30 days here. N is 30 days. So now we are going to find the sum of 30 days here. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So Sn means n means 30 days, 30 by 2 here into 2 into 200 plus n which is 30 minus 1 d 50 here. 30 by 2 which is 15, 2 into 200 which is 400 minus plus 30 minus 1 which is 29 into 50 here. 50 here. So that equal to 15 into 400 plus 29 into 50 which is 1450 here. So that is equal to 15 into 400 plus 1450 which will be 1850 here. So now 15 into 1850, so once you multiply here we get an answer 27750 here. So this is the total amount of 30 days here. Question number 16. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performances. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. So here the information given, the sum of the prizes is 700. That means here Sn that equal to 700 and given 7 cash prizes, that means n value is 7 here, and the difference is 20 rupees less than its preceding. That means here d is less than means minus 20 here, and we are going to find out here a here. After that we are going to find out the 7 cash prizes. So now Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So Sn which is some 700 here, n the items are 7 by 2, 2a the 2 into first item we don't know, we are going to find a. Here n 7 minus 1 and d is minus 20 here. So here cross multiplication 700 into 2 by 7. So that equal to 2a plus 7 minus 1 6 into minus 20 here. So now here 7 1 7 100, that is 200 here. So 200 equal to 2a minus 120 here, minus 120 here. So now 2a equal to 200 plus 120, so which will be 320 here, and a is equal to 320 by 2 which is equal to 160 here. So now we got a means a1 is 160 here. Now we are going to find out the 7 cash prizes. That means a2, if you are going to see a2 is how much, a1 plus d, that equal to 160 D is minus 20, so minus 20, so that is equal to 160 minus 20, which will be 140 here. Now A3 is equal to A2 plus D, that equal to A2 how much? 140 minus 20, so that equal to 120 here. Now A4 is equal to A3 plus D, that equal to 120 minus 20, so that equal to 100 here. A5 is A4 plus D, that equal to 100 minus 20, so that equal to 80 here. A6 that equal to A5 plus D, that equal to 80 minus 20, that equal to 60. A7 equal to A6 plus D, that equal to 60 minus 20, that equal to 40 here. So now the 7 cash prizes are, one is 160, second one 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, 7th item is 40 here. Question number 17. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air population. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? So here class 1, suppose we take A1, so that is one tree they are planting, so this is 1 tree here, into in each class 3 sections are there, that means 3 in sections, 3 sections, so that will be 3 here. Now A2, when you are going to say, they will plant 2 trees and they are having 3 sections here, 3 sections, so that will be 2 into 3, which will be 6 here. So 3, 6, A3 same, and A12 when you are going to say, A12 up to A12 means here 12 trees into here 3 sections, that will be 36 here. So here the data given here, so A value which is 3 here, D that is equal to difference which is 6 minus 3, that equal to 3 here, and N is given, that is up to 12th class, that means N is 12, and we are going to find out the sum here. So we know Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So total we are going to see the sum n, which is given 12 by 2, a is 3 here into n is 12 minus 1 and d is 3 here. So 12 by 2 which is 6 here, 2 into 3 which is 6 plus 12 into 1 which is 11 into 3 here, that equal to 6. Now 6 plus 33 here, so that equal to 6 into 6 plus 33 which is 39 here, and 6 into 39 which will be 234 here. So the total trees planted by the students are 234. Question number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles The centers alternatively at A and B, starting with center A of ready 0.15 centimeter, 1.0 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2.0 centimeter, so on, as shown in this figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles, taking pi 22/7 here? So in this, the information given is the radii, which is the starting 0.5 centimeter. The semicircle radii is 0.5 centimeter. That means A is equal to 0.5 here. And second one is 1.5, 1.0, third is 1.5. So here D we can find out, that is A2 minus A1. So that equal to 1 minus 0.5, that equal to 0.5 here. Next, n they are given the total of 13 consecutive semicircles, that is n is equal to 13 here. So now first we are going to find out the sum, that is total length we are going to find out. After that we are going to find the length means what? The circumference, that is 2 pi r we are going to find out. So given data, A equal to 0.5, D equal to 0.5 and N equal to 13 here. So here sum we are going to find out, that is N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1, D here. So that equal to 13 by 2 here, 2 into 0.5 plus 13 minus 1, 0.5 here. So that equal to 13 by 2, which is 6.5 here. 2 into 0.5, which is 1, plus 13 minus 1, 12 into 0.5 here. So that equal to 6.5 into 1 plus 12 into 0.5, which is 6 here. So that equal to 6.5 into 7. So that equal to here 6.5 into 7, which is equal to 45.5 here. This is the total sum, that is total length here. So we know circumference is equal to 2 pi r here. Now total length is equal to 2r, that equal to 45.5 here. So here pi we are going to take 22/7 into 45.5 here. So now here 7 here 6.5. So 22 into 6.5 here. So that equal to 143 here. So this is the total. Question number 19. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row, to this, so on. In how many rows are 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? So here information given, the sum of logs is 200 here, and the first log is 20, that means A is equal to 20 here. and second is 19, third is 18. That means the difference is a2 minus a1. So that equal to 19 minus 20. So that equal to minus 1. And we are going to find out how many rows are there. How many rows are there means here we are going to find out n value here, and also how many logs are there in the top. That means last one how many are there. So what is the top row it is asking. That means it is asking L here. L how much? So we know Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So sum is we know 200, that equal to n by 2 2 into 20 plus n, which is 20 minus 1, d is minus 1, d is minus 1. So 200 into 2, which is 400, that equal to n 2 into 20, which is 40, plus 20 minus 1, 19, 19 minus 1, that is minus, here n we are going to find out n minus 1. So n minus 1 here 1, that means here 40 plus 1 minus n here. So here 400 equal to 40 plus 1 n into 41 minus n here. So 400, that equal to 41 n minus n square here. So we know n square by minus 41 n here plus 400, that equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. We are going to find out the factors here. That means n square minus here 25n minus 16n plus 400, that equal to 0. So n taking common n here, n minus 25, here minus 16, n minus 25, that equal to 0 here. So here 1 n minus 25, that equal to 0. Next n minus 16, that equal to 0. So here n equal to 25 and here n equal to 16. So we got two n values here. Two n values. One is 25, another is 16. Now we are going to find out the last one, that is an we are going to find out and check which n value sets in that question. So an, that equal to a plus n minus 1 d here, that equal to a, which is 20, plus n, if it is 25 minus 1, and d we know which is minus 1. So that equal to 20 plus here 25 minus 1, 24, 24 into minus 1, that is minus 24. So 20 minus 24, that will be minus 4 here. So the last row will have minus 4 here. If it is 16, then an equal to a plus n minus 1 d here. So that equal to 20 plus n is 16 minus 1 and here minus 1. So that equal to 20 plus 15 minus 1, 16 minus 1, 15, into minus 1. So that equal to 20 minus 15 here, that equal to 5 here. So the top row will have 5 here. So here minus 5 here. So we can't get the number in a negative form. So we are going to omit this and we are going to consider this. So if you are going to consider this, the n value will be 16 here. So n value you are going to consider as 16, and the last top row will have how many logs? That is 5 here. Question number 20. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at a starting point which is 5 meters from the first potato, and other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in a line. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it, and she continues in the same way until all potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance of the competitor has to run here? So here the information given, which is having one bucket here. So bucket, first it is going to run and drop one potato. So here A1, here it is dropping 5 meters. First he will run 5 meters and again he will run 5 meters. That means into 2 and drop the potato in the bucket here. So it will be 10 here. Now A2, when you are going to see, here 5 meters plus 3 meters. He will run. After that again he will go back. That means again 5 meters plus 3. That will be into 2. Means 8 into 2, which will be 16 here. In the same way, A3, when you are going to see, 5 meters he will run 3 meters and he will run 3 meters. Again he will come back and drop the potato in the bucket. That is 2 into 2, which will be 11 into 2, which will be 22 here. So in this way it continues here. So in this the information given is A, which is 10 here, A, which is 10 here, and D we are going to find out, that is A2 minus A1, that equal to 16 minus 10, that equal to 6 here. And we got the information about n here. N, total 10 potatoes are dropped in the bucket, that is n is 10 here. Now we are going to find out the total distance here. Total distance means sum we are going to find out, that is Sn we are going to find out. So now we know Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d here. So now Sn we are going to find out n, which is 10 by 2 here, 2 into first one is 10 into total 10 minus 1, and the d is 6 here. So that means 10 by 2, which is 5 here, 2 into 10, which is 20, into 10 minus 1, 9, into 6. So that equal to 5, 20 plus 54 here. So that equal to 5 into 20 into 20 plus 54, which will be 74. So that is equal to 74 into 5, that will be 370 meters here. So this is the total distance covered.